Okay guys, my fire alarm board is finally done. It is composed of 3 different things that I'll explain later, but here it is. See, I've got the EST1-2Z3 on the wall, and I've got all the troubles down to 1, that is battery trouble. And the alarms that I'm using for it are the original ones that came with when I got it. So let me go ahead and take this off the tripod. And I'll demonstrate some of the other alarms as we move through the board demonstration. So here I have an Edwards 276B-110, an EST Integrity with a code 3 selector. It's 15/75 Candela. Here's the panel. I have it flush mounted. It wasn't really made to do that, but we kind of modified it so that it could be. And here is an ESL 521B smoke detector. And I learned how to wire end-of-line resistors. This is not necessarily the right way, but it's the way I kind of get it done. This one, I wouldn't do this like this on a professional system if it were conventional. But anyway. Right here, I have my IBM 4030-1 that was demonstrated on 2016 New Year's Eve, about a year ago. An Acme 10-inch single stroke bell, an Acme coded pull station. I got these two 2 days ago, and I've got them tested. They work just fine. I've got an IBM 4251-1 with a mercury contactor, and surprising thing, if you have one of those simplex pull stations that has the big black cage on it, or plastic thing, it will actually fit inside the original back box. This isn't the original back box for the IBM 4251-1. This couch coated pull station is the original pull station that went on this back box. See, they both have some drywall remnants. See, they've got these purple and white wires. See, they would come out right about here. So I just have a couch coated pull station here for show. I'll reset that later. Sorry for the jump cut, but I had to get ready for something. Did I say couch coated pull station? Whoops. Well, this is a couch F1G. It's kind of hard to reset, but I'll do that later. So first, I will demonstrate the Edwards fire alarm system. Then I'll move on to the IBM and then the Acme, and then I'll show you the back of it and demonstrate how you wire a coded pull station. It won't take too long. So, wait a minute, where did I put my keys? Oh boy. Oh, here they are. I didn't want to have to edit this too much, which I don't usually have to, but it's in the panel. Okay. 3, 2, 1. This is zone 3 on the panel. I just kind of have it wired that way. So let me go ahead and silence this. So this panel is kind of like the panel featured in one of the little Rubik's 1 videos. His was some sort of series. It was red. Anyway, some people think you just have to lightly push the button to trouble silence, but I'm going to disable a zone to show you. Sometimes it won't work. So you have to hold it down. So let me go and re-enable the zone. So yeah. So now I'm going to reset this real quick. Whoops. Come on. It's not budging. I guess because it's a heavy screwdriver. I was going to test the ESL 521B, but I couldn't find a proper magnet to test it with that I felt like would be strong enough. That may not have anything to do with it, but yeah, let me go and silence this trouble as it pops up. Oh, and these 3 zones right here weren't in my first 2 videos I made. These are zone expander cards, which add 2 zones onto the panel. These 2 I got new in box. This one wasn't about as new, but old. Well, you know what I mean. So I've got these on 2 power strips. One power strip just controls the panel, and one power strip controls the coded part and the IBM part. I have them on a separate power strip so I can turn them on and off without having to turn the panel on and off. I know I could just unplug it, but I don't want to risk getting shocked. Not like that will happen. I'm just going to prevent it happening in case it could happen. So let me find the switch. Since this is normally the circuits normally close, the contactors are normally touching, close or open, this bell will sound. So I will sound the IBM part. Sorry about that. Oh, this is kind of coming off because I had to put this on double-sided tape because the screws weren't very tight. Let me put the camera down for a second. I have to close it back up and this is a temporary fix. I will get stronger screws later if I continue to keep this up here. And I wanted this so I can stop it from vibrating. I also had to stick this on double-sided tape. I could not fit it inside this box because it was designed for something else, but it was way too hard. And it actually fell off. This is code 33. And it works great. Back of it and show you what's going on. You can actually see the striker going up and down in there. Now wait for it to do another round of code. I think it's on its last round now. It does have a cover plate for this, but I took it off. Let me turn that off. So, here's how everything's wired. Got a wire coming out, lots of bundle of wires coming out here. And I've got it put nuts in it. There is more area for zones and another initiating device. But I'm not going to need another at the moment. But I did originally have to. If you watch my sneak peek one of who knows what, I had the integrity and a Spectre alert that will be featured in System Test 2 in there. Here, I kind of had to unscrew this. And some people deny that a 276B-1110 exists. But if you go to my Google Plus page under my collection, I posted a couple alarms there. You will actually see the label. This wire comes out the mounting screw part for the ESL 521B. Let me go and get back over to the other side. Oh, and here are the power strips. Oh, I also have to explain. See, this is a 16-volt transformer because this is 12 volts. So basically how you wire a coded pull station, same way you would wire a regular pull station to a power source. So one wire goes straight to the bell from the power supply. One wire goes through the pull station to the bell. So yeah. I will go into an into a little explanation about the Acme bell in a later video. But I hope you enjoyed this video and it makes up for lost time. So please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I will see you guys in the next one.